You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
So now let's start with the next lab. In this lab, we will be working mostly with deleting our conditional forwarders. So first, I'll navigate to my NITAADDS01. Under this, I'll click on Tools, click on DNS, and right-click on my conditional forwarder for NetSoft Academy here and click on Delete. I'll be prompted if I want to delete it, I'll just say yes. And I'll say yes again. And that's deleted from my NITAADDS01. Now I'll repeat the same process on my other domain controller, that is NITAADDS02, where I'm going to log in first. Because I've not been logging in, I've just been keeping it on site because I don't really need it. And I'm going to repeat the same exact process where I'm going to delete the DNS conditional forwarder for NITAADDS01. By doing that, I'm effectively telling my domain controllers that, hey, I don't want you to know where to send the email. You don't need to send the emails. We are going to break the email communication between the two folks. Tools, DNS. Right, so right-click NITAADDS01, delete, yes, and yes. And that concludes our lab here. So I'll see you in the next lab. Thank you.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.